Adaptive delta modulation. Introduction. The modulation methods are used to transmit signals over long distances. In the modulation process, the properties of a high frequency signal, such as amplitude, phase, etc., are changed according to the low frequency baseband signal. Many methods for digital to analog and analog to digital conversion of sampled signals were introduced for digital communication. Pulse code modulation, differential pulse code modulation, delta modulation, and adaptive delta modulation are popular methods used for signal processing in digital communication. Adaptive delta modulation. This modulation is the refined form of delta modulation. This method was introduced to solve the granular noise and slope overload error caused during delta modulation. This modulation method is similar to delta modulation, except that the size is variable according to the input signal in adaptive delta modulation, whereas it is a fixed value in delta modulation. This is the block diagram of adaptive delta modulation. The transmitter circuit consists of a summer, quantizer, delay circuit, and a logic circuit for step size control. The baseband signal X is given as input to the circuit. The feedback circuit present in the transmitter is an integrator. The integrator generates the staircase approximation of the previous sample. At the summer circuit, the difference between the present sample and staircase approximation of previous sample is calculated. This error signal is passed to the quantizer where a quantized signal is generated. The step size control block controls the step size of the next approximation based on either the quantized value is high or low. The quantized signal is given as output. At the receiver and demodulation takes place. The receiver has two parts. First part is the step size control. Here, the received signal is passed through a logic step size control block, where the step size is produced from each incoming bit. Step size is decided based on present and previous input. In the second part of the receiver, the accumulator circuit recreates the staircase signal. This waveform is then applied to a low pass filter, which smoothens the waveform and recreates the original signal. Adaptive delta modulation theory. In adaptive delta modulation, the step size of the staircase signal is not fixed and changes depending upon the input signal. Here, first the difference between the present sample value and previous approximation is calculated. This error is quantized. That is, if the present sample is smaller than the previous approximation, quantized value is high or else it is low. The output of the 1-bit quantizer is given to the logic step size control circuit where the step size is decided. At the logic step size control circuit, the output is decided based on the quantizer output. If the quantizer output is high, then the step size is doubled. For step size output is low, the step size is reduced by one step for the next sample. Advantages. During demodulation, it uses a low pass filter which removes the quantized noise. Adaptive delta modulation decreases slope error present in delta modulation. The slope overload error and granular error present in delta modulation are solved using this modulation. Because of this, the signal to noise ratio of this modulation is better than delta modulation. The dynamic range of adaptive delta modulation is larger as the variable step size covers large range of values. Applications. This modulation is used for a system which requires improved wireless voice quality as well as speed transfer of bits. In television signal transmission, this modulation process is used. This modulation method is used in voice coding. This modulation is used as a standard by NASA for all communications between mission control and spacecraft. For improved voice quality, US Air Forces uses 32 kilobytes per second rates. In Bluetooth services, to encode voice signals, this modulation is used with 32 bits per second rates. HC55516 decoder is used in various arcade games such as Sinistar and Smash TV and pinball machines such as Gorger or Space Shuttle to play pre-recorded sounds. Adaptive delta modulation is also known as continuously variable slope delta modulation. Thank you.